Attack helicopters play a crucial role in modern military operations, providing critical support in both offensive and defensive maneuvers. Among the formidable aircraft in service today are the U.S. Apache and European AW129 Agusta helicopters. Each renowned for its distinct capabilities and technological advancements, these helicopters represent the cutting edge of aerial combat innovation. The Apache AH-64, a formidable icon in the arsenal of the U.S. Army and Allied forces worldwide. Crafted by Boeing, this twin-engine marvel is designed to dominate the skies with its robust airframe and advanced avionics suite. Built for all-weather operations, day or night, the Apache AH-64 stands as a stalwart of modern warfare, ready to strike with precision and power. In contrast, the AW129, developed by Leonardo Helicopters, formerly Agusta Westland, boasts a sleeker profile with a single-engine configuration. Both helicopters prioritize maneuverability and survivability. Although the AW129 is often noted for its streamlined design, optimized for agility in close combat scenarios. The AH-64 Apache is significantly larger, with a length of 58 feet, 17.73 meters. Compared to the AW129, it has 40 feet, 12.28 meters, giving the Apache a more imposing presence on the battlefield. The Apache stands taller at 12 feet, 3.87 meters, whereas the AW129 has a height of 11 feet, 3.35 meters, making it slightly more compact and potentially more maneuverable in certain environments. The Apache has a substantially higher empty weight of 11,387 pounds, 5,165 kilograms, compared to the AW129, has 5,578 pounds, 2,530 kilograms, reflecting the Apache's larger size and heavier armor and armament. The Apache is powered by two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, each capable of producing up to 1,409 kilowatts, providing robust power for its operations. In contrast, the AW129 is equipped with two Rolls-Royce GEM 2-1004D turboshaft engines, each generating 664 kilowatts, emphasizing efficiency and agility over sheer power. The Apache features a larger main rotor diameter of 48 feet, 14.63 meters, and a four-bladed main rotor, whereas the AW129 has a smaller main rotor diameter of 39 feet, 11.9 meters, and a five-bladed configuration, possibly offering advantages in agility and aerodynamic efficiency. The Apache has a maximum speed of 182 miles per hour, 293 kilometers per hour, outpacing the AW129, which has maximum speed of 173 miles per hour, 278 kilometers per hour, providing the Apache with a slight edge in speed during operations. The Apache has a combat range of 300 miles, 480 kilometers, while the AW129 boasts a slightly longer range of 320 miles, 510 kilometers, potentially allowing it to cover more ground without refueling in certain operational scenarios. The Apache has a higher service ceiling of 20,000 feet, 6,100 meters, compared to the AW129, which has 15,502 feet, 4,725 meters, indicating the Apache's capability to operate effectively at higher altitudes. The Apache AH-64 has been extensively deployed by the U.S. Army in various theaters of operation, including conflicts in Iraq, Afghanistan, and more recently in anti-terrorism operations worldwide. Its proven combat record and adaptability have solidified its reputation as a premier attack helicopter. Conversely, the AW129 has seen service primarily with European nations such as Italy, Turkey, and Egypt, where its agility and firepower have been utilized in a variety of operational roles, including close air support and anti-tank missions. The Apache is renowned for its firepower, equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun mounted under the nose, along with provisions for Hellfire anti-tank missiles and Hydra 70 rocket pods. This versatile armament suit enables the Apache to engage a wide range of ground targets effectively. On the other hand, the AW129 typically carries a similar mix of armaments, including a 20mm cannon, and the capability to launch Hellfire missiles and various unguided rockets. While both helicopters excel in anti-armor missions, the Apache's larger caliber cannon and broader selection of munitions provide it with a slight edge in firepower. Recently, the Italian Army has unveiled the new AW249 attack helicopter, declaring it a cornerstone of its transformation efforts. During its public debut at the prestigious Eurosatory Defense Show, AW249 is designed to meet the demanding needs of modern warfare, featuring a complete open architecture that allows for significant future growth and system adaptability. It is set to replace the Italian Army's aging AW129 fleet. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about both aircraft in the comments section.